Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It has been a while since I put up a video. Got a lot of stuff going on. These glasses, too much? Yeah, that's what I thought. Ah, there we go, that's better. All right, so Nissan Altima 2004. This is a coil right here. This is your coil. This is your boot. When it stops working, you have a misfire. And I'm going to show you that in just a minute. Let me turn the camera around real quick. Underneath here, see that little red light? That little blue box? That is an Amazon code reader. V-Peak, whatever. It's just a little code reader. It's Bluetooth, hooks up to your phone. Got it off Amazon for like, I don't know, 15 bucks. That just goes backwards right into the car, lights up. You download an app and it installs, and you just turn on the app and it syncs via Bluetooth directly to your phone, and it'll read basic codes. Obviously for $15, it's not a really nice code reader, but I was throwing two different codes. It was throwing a code misfire on cylinder 4 and insufficient fuel and pedal. It was a pedal sensor. It was one code with, I don't know, 3 or 4 different pops up for Jeep, Chrysler, and a couple of different other cars. Obviously it's not a Jeep or a Chrysler, but I'm going to look into that one. Today we're just talking about the coil, the misfire, the boot, cylinder 4. Going to flip you around. We're going to jump out and take a look at it real quick. All right, she's not the prettiest motor in the world, but she's a small 4, Nissan Altima 2004, 2.5, inline 4. You can see we got cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all directly on top. It goes straight down, super easy. I'm used to V6, V8 being, you know, V off to the side. They're angled. These ones are straight in and out. As you can see, number 4 is brand new. 1, 2, and 3 are old. And what was happening, if you disconnect it, you can replicate a misfire. I was getting chugging and no power. Smell of gas was really strong. I came out, I disconnected it, and no change. It's like, okay, so cylinder 4 is not firing. Did the same thing on 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, and 3. They were all good. And so I went and got the new part, switched it out, no problem. There's a top cover. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera, I was just talking. There's a cover that covers this. That, just a couple bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a couple bolts. Top cover comes off, and you can see all your coils. One bolt, take the bolt off, take the clip out. Coil and boot all comes out. New coil and boot in, bolt, clip, and that fixed my problem. So that was just a misfire on cylinder 4. I could see that on the code, on that little Amazon code reader for $15. That did the trick, and not an exciting video, but something. Got another one coming up on the van. Got an actuator that's going out. We're gonna work on that this afternoon, and that'll be another short video. See ya.